all of this good crab. Hey y'all. Today we're celebrating my birthday. I got all this good food. I got a recipe for you guys. I hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you later. Bye. Hey you guys, this is my video for, it's a really easy sauce that I make for my crab. I did roast my crab in the oven. I'm celebrating my 45th birthday, me and my mom. It was supposed to be a mukbang, but she did not have the patience for me to be eating and recording on video. So here is the recipe. I'll have all the seasonings listed in the description box, and I will catch you guys in the next one. All right, so here I'm just sweating my onions. I have some olive oil, some onion, and some minced garlic. And I'm just going to sweat these down. And then I'm using some Old Bay, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, paprika, a little bit of Cajun seasoning, and parsley. So I'm just going to sweat these down until they're tender. And then I'm going to add in a stick of butter. I'm also going to add in my favorite hot sauce. I don't know if you guys have seen any of my other videos, but the Bulldog chicken sauce, it just gives it this kind of sweet, roasted, but really spicy flavor. So I'm just going to let those cook down. I'm going to boil me some corn, some egg, and potato. And then I'm going to rinse my crab, and with a little bit of butter and minced garlic, I'm going to roast that in the oven for about 20 minutes. You don't want to overcook your crab. I say this all the time. You can overcook crab, and what happens is it almost shrinks. So I'm just going to let this roast in the oven for about 30 minutes. I'm going to pour a little bit of water into the onions, maybe just a quarter of a cup of water, and let those simmer so they don't fry or scorch, and then cook them down for another, I'd say 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then I'm going to add this to the crab mixture, and that is it. It's really simple, but it is so good. Adding my butter and my hot sauce here. And yeah, me and my mom picked out. I was trying to do a mukbang for y'all, but my mom was looking impatient like, girl, I'm ready to eat and I want to be playing with this camera. All right, here I'm making my little sausage, just mayonnaise, mustard, and that same hot sauce. I'm just going to mix that up, and it's a good dip to add to your crab, and squeeze a little lemon on there. And y'all, this was so good. It's my favorite. I have not had crab in a while, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all in the next one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Oh, I'm ready to dive in.